Good morning. Good morning, everyone. This is Sherry Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today I'm going to be doing what is called the veil technique with water marbling. You're going to need your dish of water, 2 toothpicks or woodies, whichever you'd like to call them, your color of nail polish that you're going to use. I have black on my thumb, yellow, and pink. I'm going to be doing my middle finger and my pinky today for you. First I'm going to be using, let me back up. I have my base coat on, 2 coats of white. I'm going to be using 1 drop of Let's Talk by Simple Colors. Let that rest in the water, and it needs to dry slightly. You may want to blow on it. I'm trying to get mine to spread a little bit so it can cover my nail. Give it a slight blow on it. I cannot tilt the bowl or the camera anymore for you to see inside the dish, but when you pinch it together in the center, it's going to somewhat look like a bow tie. A bow tie noodle, that is. Or a regular bow tie. I'm sorry that you may hear the TV and the fan in the background. It's kind of in the middle of the night, early in the morning, and I'm the only one up. So I'm trying to drown me out from waking others up. Tap the image slightly in the center to see if it's dry enough yet, and it's not, so I'm going to give it another quick blow. Give it another minute to dry. And I'm going to try to turn the dish so I can get the full view of the polish. And use the point again to tap it. I'm going to try and see if the image is ready to be pitched. And it is. Oops. Okay. I am going to dip my middle finger and I'm going to line it up with the image. Dip your finger in, slowly pull out of the water, and there you go. It came out pretty good. I did not use any liquid latex on here. Take your cuticle stick, try to break that seal from the rest of the polish so it does not pull off. Slightly tap your image down on your finger because it will be abrased a little bit. I even take some tissue and dab it to help it dry. Gonna try and break the seal again. There we go, and it comes right off my skin on this wood stick. There is the purple. There is nothing left in the water to clean up, so we're good to go there. Next, I'm going to be doing Candy Hearts by Sinful by the Candy Johnson collection. 1 drop of polish in your water, let it spread. And it needs to dry somewhat tacky. Do not forget that. Even blow on the water. That will help it dry. Make sure you give it a minute to rest. You do not want to do this when it's too wet or it won't work. Sorry, I got somebody trying to call right now, and now ain't the time. I'm trying to do my video. Give the polish another blow, trying to get it to dry. This one's going to be on my pinky finger. And I'm going to try and pinch it into the bow. And I'm going to line my finger up with the center, dip in, slowly pull out, I'm going to tap on the image. Remove your dish of water. Once again, I'm going to take my tissue and tap the image. Trying to take some of the excess water off of it so I can break the seal. You may want to put some latex on, liquid latex, but you don't have to because it does come right off. Oh, I forgot about the underneath. Because the image being dry in the water, pretty much dry, so when you take it off, this just peels right off the skin and the underside of the nail. Tap the image again, wipe the excess water off your finger. I'm going to use my nail there too. It's almost had a lift. I don't know how well you can see these. This is once again called the veil technique. I seen Mysimplelittlepleasure do it first. And then Moon Baby Nails, Tina, she did it second. And I was inspired to try it myself. There are pictures on Instagram. There, I am nailed at 67. Don't forget to apply your fast drying top coat. I use Sush Feet with the fast drying top coat. Wipe off your brush really well. Have a bead of polish. Go down the center of your nail, down one each side. Do not forget to tap the ends, or wrap the ends, I'm sorry, along with the pinky. And there you go. You've got a veil technique manicure. That's water marbling. This is new, and I hope everybody enjoyed it. Have a blessed day.